today we're working on the Ducati. But first, we gotta clean it up. This is the old carbon fiber, so look at the difference between the old one and the new ones. This one, sun damaged and trash. This is the good one. this just
My goodness.
Something's catching it. Oh, sprocket's catching it. How is this catching it? Sprocket. Damn, okay. So, looks like doo-doo. Let's just clean all this. It's not a dent, is it? No.
Motherfucker. But that's not. He did that on purpose.
I don't know if that's a dent.
It's a. I don't know.
It looks like it's cracked.
Doesn't feel right.
And there's a.
Where's the crack?
There's no. I mean.
Well, that's welded, no?
No, that's normal. Those are the regular welds. I don't know if it's supposed to have a dimple here.
I don't think so.
But then you see this right here. I don't know if that's a crack. Right. No, right here.
Look at the texture.
I know, but then here. I don't know if that's a crack.
But look at the texture of everything here.
Yeah.
This is dent.
Fuck. Hold up.
Keep in mind, we never took this bike apart. So this is all new.
Yeah. I didn't think that could happen, but then again.
Is that dent really gonna interfere with anything?
I don't
think
if
so.
It is like that from the factory, but this is.
No, that's a dent.
I'm just more worried about this crack here. I don't know if it is a crack or if it's just a scratch. It looks odd. Cause I mean, look, you got hit pretty hard. But damn, man. Hidden damages. Gonna have to look at a photo and see if that's normal. If it's not, it's a lot of money for a swing arm. A lot of money for a swing arm for this bike.
Is it?
Yeah.
But the frame is cheap. It's kind of funny.
Well, salvage frame is cheap. Clean title one's really expensive. Actually, I never even seen
Clean title, anything is really expensive, to be honest.
Yeah.
You still want to put on the cover?
Yeah, fuck it.
But we couldn't because we're missing bolts. Our swing arm might be dented. Because I know that is not OEM.
What do you mean? That's OEM as fuck.
What else? We got the seats on.
We got the seats on.
We got one side of this on.
We got one side on.
One side.
One side.
You know what we're missing?
What? Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for the bolts to come in for the motor.
You don't have the bolts for it?
No.
This guy wanted to make a whole rebuild video, but didn't even have the bolts for everything.
I gotta make episodes. So next time, we may or may not have a new swing arm.
Hopefully not, because swing arms are expensive, and I do not want to be spending on a swing arm right now.
But we'll have everything to do this part. So this will all be done. What else? Hopefully we'll have the bracket here, the bolt that goes into that
Hopefully
bracket.
by then we'll have the seat. Hopefully by then we would have drilled better holes into here, better holes into here. Hopefully by then the red radiator hose is coming.
Yeah. So yeah, we should have more stuff next time. The next time that we film, we should have more. We just made this video just so you had an idea what's going on. We threw on what we could.
And if in case you needed to know how to mount an exhaust, mount a trim, anything like that, you already know because it's mounted the same way.
And yeah, I hope for the next episode we'll have everything to actually finish it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.